तुमकां सगळ्यांक वेलकम करता पयले. आज लेबर डिपार्टमेंट बेसिकली ऑनलायन सर्विसीस ऑन गोवा ऑनलायन ताजी स्टार्ट जाल्लें लॉन्च केल्या. ताज्या बद्दल वी हॅव हॅड अ लॉन्च सेरेमनी टुडे. मे 2017च्यान म्हणजे सरकार एप्रिलच्यान सुरू जाला, मार्च एप्रील जाल्यार फ्रॉम मे 2017 ऑनलायन सर्विसीस हॅड स्टार्टेड. आनी हे ऑनलायन सर्विसीस सरकारान आतां पर्यंत टोटल 32 सर्विसीस हॅव बीन मेड ऑनलायन. रेवन्यू डिपार्टमेंटान 11, पब्लीक ग्रिव्हन्सान 1, प्लॅनिंग एंड स्टॅटिस्टिक्सान 4, ट्रान्सपोर्टान 5 आनी आज लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंटान 11 सर्विसीस ऑनलायन टोटल केल्या. हाजो मुद्दो एकूच की इज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस जेन्ना म्हणटा, हाव वी अलाव अ बिजनेसमॅन टू डू बिजनेस रादर दॅन रनिंग अरावंड वीथ द कन्वेन्शनल मेथड ऑफ कंप्लायन्सीस. पयलीं रेजिस्टर घे, स्टॅट्युटरी कंप्लायन्सीस कर, रेजिस्टर सांबाळून दवर, ऑन रेजिस्ट्रेशनाक धांव, ऑन थंय वच, रेजिस्ट्रेशन माग, मॅन्युअल प्रोसेस टोटली कट डावन केला. आतां ऑनलायन रेजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ देअर एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट अंडर शॉप्शन एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट, the renewals and various other services and under labor and employment has been taken. Issue of license for contractors online kala, renewal of license of contractors in order to employ contract labor they online kala, application for issue of license for contractors in order to employ migrant labor online kala, application for registration of establishment employing migrant workmen online kala. Asha various services, all 11 services have been made online, which will actually allow the business fraternity to have a lot of ease of doing business rather than going every time to a labor office or going and running around to get their certification process right. Yo karta astana basically the whole thing has been done on Goa Online, and one of the initiatives as we take the things ahead ki the last 1 वर्सान labor and employment departmentan कितें केलां कोण प्रश्न आसा. लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट डिपार्टमेंटान पयलीं म्हणल्यार ही ऑनलायन रजिस्ट्रेशन सेवा ऑन अ टेम्पररी बेसीस वी हॅव स्टार्टेड. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ रायट टू टायम बाउंड सर्विसीस एक्टा अंडर. ऑल दीज सर्विसीस हॅव टू बी गिवन विदीन अ पिरियड ऑफ 7 days, बट आवर डिपार्टमेंट हॅज बीन एबल टू गिव दीज सर्टिफिकेट्स विदीन अ पिरियड ऑफ 3 days. आतां पर्यंत ऑन अ ट्रायल बेसीस वॉट हॅज बीन डन अंडर दीज वेरियस 11 सर्विसीस, total applications which came in were roughly about 479 आणि आजपर्यंत अंडर प्रोसेस सगळी सोडली जाल्यार प्रोसेस्ड आसा roughly about 73. So basically all this impartation of knowledge to the inspectors involved, to the staff, that has been taken by GEL, and GEL is the umbrella which has been launching this particular service. आता ease of doing business and कितलीशीच सेवा गरज आशिल्ली तातूंत this was one of the important parts which was required to ensure ease of doing business. Total 22 company. Cipla, Blue Cross, Manipal Health, Zuari Engineering, Bosch, Hindustan Coca-Cola, Chowgule, Sai Service, Deltin Group, Bogmalo, Tajport, CMM, Sun Pharmaceutical, Merck, DNA Goa, Pai Khane, Mukhtar, Conto Automobiles, Alcon Victor Group, Sriram Transport, Link Properties आणि Maxens Group. ना इन द प्रेजेंट सिच्युएशन ज्यांनी केला तांकां नोटीस, शोकॉज नोटीस काडल्या टू रिप्लाय विदीन 7 days. ऑन वॉट 22 जाणां.
What action could be done? What could be the action or something?
The notice has been sent. Let them reply to the notice first.
कित्याक म्हणटा
एज पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट गायडलायन्स, सुप्रीम कोर्टान एक रुलींग आसा 1996चे 95चे, वेरीन एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज would not keep a hold on these issues. It is existing from 1995. Now this instance has allowed us to give a thought how to change it and amend the needful law act as far as the state is concerned. So studying the Karnataka model, which is quite strong for the sons of the soil, is being already carried out. Immediately start केला. We are also आमचो employment exchangeचो मुनीसी Bangalore soon will be coming back soon with the model what how it is being actually carried out practically. आणि ते amendment कितें जाय at the state level we will have to do it. Now this is a process. आता लास्ट मे 2017च्यान आमी जवळ जवळ म्हाका दिसता 4 का 5 ट्रेड फेअर केले. So question of getting people in Goa, I don't think is a big issue as what people are saying. आम्ही जवळजवळ 5 केल्या फ्रॉम 2016च्या 20 जुलै 2016 1, 25 सप्टेंबर 2016 1, 17 जुलै 2017 1, 28 ऑक्टोबर 2017 in the engineering job fair they participated, and 8th and 9th of February 2018 Labour Department also had participated along in the Goa Peace Fest. Total number of employers who participated, which can be repetitive, were 212. People, the number of vacancies which were outlined were 4,233. Number of job seekers who participated was 11,383. Candidates who were shortlisted for the next round were 3,587. Number of candidates given provisional offer letter was 854 and final offer letter दिले ते जवळजवळ 500 लोकांना. So तुम्ही having ambulance facilities, going to have preventive checkups on site, trying to give basically the workmen a much more better scheme than what were existing, trying to create infrastructure for women, ज्यांना मी म्हणता, creating women's hostel on a pilot basis in the south, where we are talking about 24/7 working for the women also. आणि जसे लेबर लॉज आम्ही कमी करूंक लागतात in terms of IT आणि बाकीच्या खातीर, I think slowly the department is getting into a very friendly approach between the industry and the employee. आणि ह्यो सर्विसीस जेन्ना एक तसो भायर येतल्यो, I am pretty sure in the days to come, Goa as it takes the next thing to be a preferred destination for knowledge-based industries or for industries which are pollution-free or environment-friendly, this will go a long way. Has been there, which is absolutely unacceptable. कित्याक आमी गोंया इंडस्ट्री जेन्ना पळयतात तेन्ना we are always looking at revenue per square meter and employment per square meter, whether it is the investment promotion board, whether it is the industrial policy or the IT policy. And हे पळयता आसतना it is a moral duty of every entrepreneur or every person in Goa to first encash on how many Goans are available. आणि ही सपोर्ट सिस्टम दिवपाक जशी तुमकां आमी एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्कीम म्हणल्यार वी आर सून प्लॅनिंग टू गेट द एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्कीम इन प्लेस. मोपा संदर्भात वॉट इज हॅपनिंग तुमकां ऑलरेडी सांगलें. IT पॉलिसी आणि स्टार्टअप जी स्कीम्स जे आसा न्ही लॉन्च जायना फुडें यू विल गेट अ होल इनसाइट अबाउट द एम्प्लॉयमेंट एज फार एज दॅट इज कन्सर्न. सिमिलर आउटलायन प्लॅन्स हॅव बीन डन इन युअर इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी ऑल्सो. आनी हाज्या खातीर एम्प्लॉयमेंटा खातीर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटा खातीर जे लोक बोवाळ करूंक सोदतात तर बोवाळ करतात, तांणी पयलीं समजूंक जाय की ह्या 1 वर्सान सरकारान अंडर श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर खूब काम केलां टू जेन्युइनली कॅटर टू द डिमांड ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री एंड द एम्प्लॉई. इट्स अ बोथ वे सिट्युएशन. इंडस्ट्री म्हणटा आमकां जाय ते गोंयकार मेळना, गोंयकार म्हणटा आमकां जाय ती इंडस्ट्री मेळना, आनी ताच्या खातीर ते कोरिलेट करपा खातीर गव्हर्मेंट इज प्लॅन टू गेट अ स्कीम इन प्लेस. आनी म्हाका दिसता जून जुलैच्या बजेट सेशनान which our honorable CM was supposed to address the whole budget, तेन्ना नाल्यार ताजे पयलीं एखादी स्कीम लॉन्च जातली. आनी ही स्कीम लॉन्च जातकर एक म्हत्वाचो म्हणल्यार भुरग्याक अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटा पेक्षा एम्प्लॉयमेंट पळोवपाक एक चान्स बरो मेळटलो, वेर इन ही गेट्स इन टू अ कंपनी, ही गेट्स अ सबसिस्टन्स अलावन्स, एट द सेम टायम ही इज गेटिंग अ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू अपग्रेड हिज स्कील. एंड एवरी कंपनी हू हॅज बीन टोल्ड अबाउट दिस इज टोल्ड टू एन्श्योर दॅट दे टेक देम and give them the relevant support. अशे कितलेशेच इनिशिएटिव्ह लास्ट 1 वर्सान लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंटान केल्ले आसा. लॉन्च ऑफ दीस सर्विसीस टुडे इज वन ऑफ द मेजर इश्यूज which was where people were facing in terms of registration. And they as here launch down, I think the things are moving in the right direction when we are talking about ease of doing business, simplification of procedures, and or implementation of services under right to time-bound services act. Employer data collection started last 1 year back. गोंयकार कितले employment and gap खंय आसा. Issues of unemployment has been continuously discussed at various forums. And when we talk about unemployment, when we see young youth or somebody, सरकाराचो धोरण आसा की अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो इश्यू टॅकल करचो म्हणून. पूण इल्ले लोक जेन्ना कमेंट्स करता फ्रॉम वेरियस पार्टीज द क्वेश्चन इज वॉट डीड दे डू फॉर द लास्ट नंबर ऑफ इयर्स. पूण आज हो सरकार गंभीर प्रमाणान तुमकां एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो इशू टॅकल करपाची सुरवात केल्ली आसा. ताज्या खातीर वन is when there are opportunities through policies we are trying to handle it. IT policy is getting launched, तातून unemployment issue tackle केला. तुमची industrial policy is there, in that unemployment ratio handle केला. How we take care of unemployment. मोपा सारकेले एअरपोर्ट येता. मोपा सारकेले एअरपोर्टा प्रमाणे GMR, the concessionaire itself, is supposed to put up a aviation skill academy. This development center which will be put up at Mapa will allow the unemployed people, especially जे स गांव पयलीं सगळ्यांत चड लागीं आशिल्ले तांकां मागीर पेरने तालुका आनी मागीर बाकीच्या तालुकाच्या भुरग्यांक हे स्कील अपग्रेडेशन करपा खातीर दे वील बी टेकिंग थिंग्स ओवर देर. सो एज द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज कमिंग अप द एविएशन स्कील डेवलपमेंट सेंटर at ITI Perne will be is targeted to be completed within the next 9 to 12 months. ते कंप्लीट जायना फुडें all these trainings will start and ताज्या खातीर GMR is supposed to give a blueprint to labor and employment and skill development. ह्या खूब हातून I think we will be able to cater to a large population of people who are looking at employment as far as Goykar is concerned. आणि ह्यो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचे टू एम्प्लॉयमेंट जेन्ना करतात, employment department also has moved a proposal which is at a particular level which allows the unemployed youth to be deployed in a private sector with some support from the government so that they are able to get their skill upgradation. Then it is for the company की जो कंपनीन तो वयता ताणें ताका रिटेन करचो बरो आसा जाल्यार, नाल्यार ही कम्स आउट एज अ इंडस्ट्री रेडी बॉय. सो एक भुरगो नाल्यार भुरगें खंयच्याय कंपनीन वॉलंटरी प्लेसमेंट करपाची स्कीम आमी जे करता तातूंत सर्टन कॉस्ट विल बोर्न बाय द गव्हर्मेंट ऑल्सो, wherein this has already been discussed with Goa Chamber, CII, GSIA and all the industry forums who have welcomed this approach of the government. हातूनय unemployment ratio खूबसो देंवतलो आणि this is where we are talking as far as unemployment is concerned. ह्या लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट मुळे सदांच प्रश्न येता कितें करता काय म्हणून. पयलो एक इश्यू जालो सावंतवाडीचो आणि सावंतवाडीच्या इश्यूचेर खूब चर्चा जाली. पयलें म्हणल्यार देर इज अ सुप्रीम कोर्ट गायडलायन वेर यू कॅनॉट एक्चुअली स्टॉप एनीबडी फ्रॉम asking for going out and advertising. But at the same time, it is also a part, as per Goa government, labor and employment, that they are supposed to notify the department of the vacancies before they advertise. In this case, it was not done. So, jitli units who have gone to for the trade fair, tanka show cause notice issues ali. The show cause notice has been issued under subsection 1 or subsection 2 or section 4 of the Employment Exchange. That is the Compulsory Notification of Vacancies Act 1959. हातूंतल्यान तांकां आमी नोटीस धाडल्या. Simultaneously, we are also issuing a notification where we are asking for compulsory, mandatory करता ज्या लोक ट्रेड फेरान पार्टिसिपेट जावंक सोदतात कंपनी और ज्यांनी वॅकन्सीज आसा तांणी एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजा कडेन आपली माहिती पयलीं दिवची. आमच्या एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजा तर्फे पयले स्पॉन्सर्ड कॅन्डिडेट्स घेवचे, तांकां इंटरव्यू करची, आमकां जाणीव दिवची कित्याक दे आर नॉट रेडी फॉर देअर इंडस्ट्री म्हणून. अँड देन आफ्टर द NOC इज गिवन मे बी दे कॅन टेक द स्टेप अहेड.